So today we will be unboxing this Philips combo kit accessories for Philips Airfryer XL size. So these accessories are compatible with both HD9270 and 9280. As you can see on the picture, this is a combo kit which includes the baking dish, the pizza pan and the grilling rack, and there are few other accessories. So let's open the box and see what are the accessories inside. There are 10 accessories in this combo kit. First is the baking dish, in which you can bake your cakes. Then we have this pizza pan. You can bake the small size pizza pan. Then we have this double layer. This is basically used for grilling, and here are the skewers. So you can make paneer tikkars or any kind of barbecue on this grilling rack. After that, we have this toast rack. You can toast your bread slices, you can make garlic bread. Then we have these 6 silicone muffin cups, and then we have these 2 silicone mittens. After that, we have tong, a silicone brush and an extractor. Now let me place few of these accessories in the air fryer so that you are able to know that how it will look like. So this is my XL size air fryer. Into the basket I am placing this baking dish. This is a 6 inches baking dish. Then we have this pizza pan. You can even air fry eggs in this. Then we have this grilling rack, and as you can see, it fits completely. And after that we have this toast rack, and lastly you can easily place these 6 muffin cups in an XL size air fryer, and here you go. So friends, these were all the 10 accessories which come in this combo kit by Philips. If you want to buy this kit, then check out the Best Buy link mentioned in the description box. Hope you liked today's video. Do like and share our videos with your friends and family. And don't forget to check out our next video. Thank you.